Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Today's video is we're back on the Civic. So the things I've been working on is actually installing some stereo equipment here, and I can kind of show you how I got started. Of course, still working on the D16Z6. It's all tore apart. I get that cleaned up and start getting some parts ordered. But started running some of my speaker or my power cable through where the wire harness goes. Nice and loose there, so it's not all going to bind up. We'll hook that to the battery. Run this power wire through. So I already took out the glove box, got this ran through, so I'm going to run it down under the carpet, straight to the back. I got the remote wires and stuff I got to hook up to the stereo, and then hopefully we can get some subs hooked up. So I did spend some time cleaning out the trunk. I'm going to vacuum this out real quick, kind of straighten it up, and I got some wood to kind of support everything. I'm gonna set that in there. So let me get this all cleaned up, and then we'll get to installing some wires. Alright, so I got the remote wire connected, and I'm just going to run this back to the back of the car. Alright, so I got probably tough to see, I got the RCA wires going up over the steering rack there. Hopefully that won't cause any problems. But I got it running down the side here. Just got to run them underneath the carpet, through the back, and into the trunk, and I should be good to go. So all the wires are ran.
I made up all that stuff about my family and the pussy was a bot. I'm just an average guy.
Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good. I got the fan on, it's kind of warm. But I'm looking to actually hook up this 2 ohm amp, speaker, to a 4 ohm amp temporarily until I get a new amp. Just trying to see if everything kind of works out a little bit. So what I want to do is actually run it from, I want to run a wire from the positive to the negative. So, see if I can get this in here. I'll wrap it around. To the negative. Let's see if I can pop it up. And I should be able to hook this up to the wires inside the speaker box. Alright guys, so I got everything kind of temporarily ran. Got my ground, everything should be good. Really just want to kind of test it out to make sure all the wiring is good. This is my little cheap amp. I've had this for probably 10 years. I'll probably replace this anyways, but again, just want to see if this subwoofer works, so hopefully it does, and we'll get a little bit of sound on this thing. So moment of truth is let me check it out. Alright guys, I made it in the car, got everything hooked back up. I got the amp powered up back there, and get to see. Got some thump in the trunk. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for today's episode. Just a quick thing with the Civic. Wanted to go ahead and get that speaker off my floor. Got it installed. I think it sounds fantastic. I do have a couple things I need to finish. I got one of the door speakers not working quite right, but I'll hop on to that. But the thing is thumping. That's a good thing. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please leave those below. But as always, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll check you guys in the next episode. Peace.